Connect Silverfin to any AI assistant with Peliqan's MCP server. Sign up for a free Peliqan account. Once you're logged in, head to Connections. You get a built-in data cache right out of the box. From here, click on Add a Connection, then search for Silverfin, then add it as a connector. As soon as the connection is established, a pipeline is created automatically. Your data is instantly available as tables inside the data cache, ready for your AI assistant to access without delay. Now open your preferred AI assistant, for example, Claude. Head to Customize, then Connectors. Click on Add Connection and select Add Custom Connector. Enter a name and the Peliqan MCP URL and click on Add. That's it. Claude is now connected to your Silverfin data and can read it instantly. Just describe what you need, and Claude will query your data through the Peliqan MCP or even take actions, like creating a draft invoice for customer Acme. Real data, real answers. Try it at peliqan.io.